Testing, 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 1, 2. It's Canoe FC 2 versus Annex Wolves. The rivalry at Monarch Park is at it again. We're going to be underway shortly after Workhaus wins 5-1 in Division number 1 against Inter. We're going to be underway in the first half. We're underway, vamos! High and hard! High and hard! Georgie, Kevin, and Ivan, Kozaku, rather. Green light in by Georgie. Almost working for Kevin and Mel. Green light in by Ivan. Ivan does well. Ivan Romanov is at it again for Canoe FC 2. Lay right back. Kevin again. And again. Oh, boy. Still playing Kevin again. He's at it again for Georgie. Mel is right there at the point. Mel D'Souza threw it across. And Kozaku is right there. Christopher. And easy Matthew. Drop. Thanks, Uzi. And then right back to Javier. And Miguel, Kevin almost working there for Ivan Romanov. Oh, cookies for Georgie.
Hey, boss.
Hello, Adrian. You good?
How are you, Joe?
Welcome.
Okay.
Sorry you couldn't play today.
It's okay.
Yeah, but at least you came to support. Well done. Even with the umbrellas as well, in case if it rains.
Always.
Thank you, Adrian. I really appreciate it. A big time for Uzi right now as you're watching. 0-0 if you're just joining us.
Come on.
Options, Miguel, options! What's this? Because from Friday and Saturday. Friday on the road and Sunday on the road. It's a field. At this field, every time, it's bumpy and lumpy. And a green light here by Mel D'Souza. Mel D'Souza with a green light here. Soleil and Miguel try to help out. Drop, boys! Boys, pick up! Oh, no! Out! Get it out! That's Georgie! Body! Pick up a white! Out! Way wide! So right back to Miguel and Kevin. Kevin, right back to Kozaku. Oh, nice. Almost working here. Right drop! Green light in by Christopher and Matthew. And Javier. And right back to Ivan. And Georgie. No! Oh, that's about trouble. Not for long, says Javier. Yeah, Mel, options, Matthew, let's go. Switch. Yeah, Uzi right there. Right back to Miguel. Kozaku's there too. Play. Oh, what a pass to Ivan Romanov. Ivan. Right back to Kozaku. Right back to Kevin again. Kevin on the off wing. Kevin right back to Soleil. Option Soleil. And then lay it right back to the point. It's Uzi. Uzi right now. Good ball right back for Kozaku. Oh, what a touch pass to Miguel and Kevin. Of the Annex. Whoa, the seagull is up there. And that's exactly why. Options! Ivan! Georgie! Psycho, Uzi! Ivan! On the arm tree. Right back to Kevin. Oh, look at Mel. Oh, yeah. Not on my highlight. Javier, easy! And right back to Options, options, options! And right back to Miguel. Uzi up about. Oh, what a pass, Ivan. And a shot by Georgie. Goal. And Uzi. Right back to Kozaku. Oh, wait a minute from Miguel. Right back to Kevin. Miguel and Kevin, the dynamic midfield. Green light coming here by Georgie. How to play. Okay, it was out. Oh, green light by Mel and Miguel. Options, options, options! Georgie. Ivan! Oh, we're wide! Ivan Romanov! To sign up Ivan, look like the opening opportunity provided by the local set the pace. Hello there, is that Juan Garcia? Hello, welcome. Welcome, thanks for supporting, lad. I really appreciate all the effort. So we got Juan Garcia from Canoe FC 1, who is coming to support the Canoe FC 2 team in one of the biggest matches you'll ever see. It's gonna be greasy right now. The time and commitment. And our green light coming in by Christopher. Drop! Thanks, Javier. Right to me. And Romanov. Green light in by Ivan. Ivan Romanov. And how about oh, Kozaku with a chip. Holds the ball on the right wing. Kozaku. Well, big Canoe ball. Dig deep, mate. Georgie again. Oh, would have been better again. The lessons have been learned. Oh, man, what a crunch again. Mel de Souza, no. Whoa! But Mel de Souza got paid for it with a yellow card. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Alex saw that Mel got a yellow card. It's a tough challenge as I'm trying to figure it out right now.
Strikers, there has to be movement.
Green light in by Georgie and Sulail. Options, 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 options. And then lay it right back to Uzi with a step on the right foot. Uzi right now. Lay right back to Kevin. Off of the Annex wall. Green light in by Uzi. And Kozaku almost out. Green light in by Kozaku. Green light in by Uzi. And Kozaku and Miguel. And right back to Mel again. Right back to Georgie. Georgie. What a move. What a move by Georgie. Still in play. Right back to Miguel. Yeah, Kozaku open. Ah, would have been better. Would have been better. And Christopher is back. Oh, yeah. Christopher de Grazia again. Oh, great line in by Uzi. Hey, Rev, oh my goodness. Right back to Kozaku. He's being clobbered by two people. Sulail, option, Sulail. And Sulail. Great pass. Oh, and Kevin was there. Green light in here by Kozaku. And Uzi. Right back to Mel. Lay right back is held there for a shot. Ivan. Oh, way wide. He's whisked again. And Christopher right back to Matthew McIntosh. Matthew McIntosh holds with it. Right back to Georgie. Georgie, lead pass. Oh, the defense on the Wolves again. Get there, Mel. Get there, Uzi. Green light in there by Mel. There's Chris. Right back to Miguel. Ah, would have been better again. It starts to get greasy again. How greasier is this? Green light in by Kozaku. Wow. Yes, Kozaku. Mel is here. So was Miguel with a nice green light hit. Yes, Kozaku. Yes, Kozaku. Whoa, whoa, almost right to me. And I had to be aware of that. Ivan. And oh, too far for Kevin on the feed. This B. And Christopher DeGrazia. Options, Matthew. Oh no, Christopher lost it. Oh, my one's got a carry right now. Green light in, Kozaku. Green light in. What a hit by Kozaku. Oh no, out. Body. Oh, thanks, Kevin. Oh my God, it's another turnover here for Canoe. Boys, pick up. Get him. Great line in, Kozaku. If only Kozaku was right there. Yes, Kozaku! Hey, Kevin! And Kozaku. And Ivan. Oh, great line pass. Canoe ball. Lay it right back to Kevin. Right back to Soleil. And right back to Georgie. Georgie, options. And right back to Soleil. Jumping up on the play. Oh, and Ivan Romanov is there. That's a corner, right? That's a corner. Dig deep. And Kevin with the entry point. Oh, went through Matthew McIntosh. Just went wide of the far post. And Matthew McIntosh is there. Oh, and a shot there by Matthew McIntosh and Ivan Romanov, and it went wide. Now, they're looking for Amir or Soleil. Soleil with Ivan watching on it this way. Oh, and Paul was right there. And right back to Sebastian. And Christopher. Right back to Uzi. And Miguel. And right back to Christopher. And right back to Miguel. Right back to Mel D'Souza. And Mel again. Lay it right back to Soleil. And here's Mel D'Souza, Paul. He's really tall. He can really touch the ball so well. Kevin and Paul. Paul again. Oh, would have been easier. Ideas of, and I think Matthew was there. No, actually it was Sebastian. It was Sebastian that had to get a shot here. Here is Christopher jumping up for the point. It's out there for Miguel. The shot by Kozaku. Way wide again. Oh, not that cage. Great one out of play again. One, there was about 16 minutes left. 16 minutes left to go in the first half. Green lighted by Christopher DeGrazia. And Amir, one off of the Annex wall. My legs are being tired. I'm going to sit down. Right back to Christopher. Right back to Miguel. Right back to me. Oh, he lost it.
Good job.
Uzi.
Coming, Manon.
Right back to Miguel.
Good job, Miguel.
Nice move. Right back to Uzi. Miguel again. Nice to Kozaku. Using his magic.
Okay.
Right back to Kevin.
Switch.
And Paul again. Almost working for the big man in number 4.
Good job, Kevin.
Right back to Paul again.
Guys.
Paul again. Green light by Kevin. Green light in. Yeah. Wait. Kozaku on him. Oh, yeah. And I'll look out here. Green light in there by thank you. And into the glove of Javier. And it's getting greasy right now from Monarch Park Stadium. And Amir again. And then there's Kevin.
It's okay, guys.
We gotta drop! Green light in by Paul, and then Miguel. Right back to Paul. Right back to Kevin and Miguel. And, oh my goodness. Green light in by Uzi. Way! Oh boy, and Miguel's down. Oh boy. Sometime. And now it's 0-0 in the last 12 minutes. Oh no, actually, we're wrong. Yeah, it was actually, in the last 12 minutes. Rev, oh my goodness. Clearly, that was an unacceptable, unaccessory idea by that Annex 1 player to just throw him there on the ground. Greenlighty! No! I thought it was on foul. I thought it was on foul there for a second. Great. I guess maybe it would have been. You know that I'm wearing the red jersey, as you know. Yeah. This really smells trouble. Oh no! What a play and a foul call! They're gonna argue. Green light in. Oh, and Christopher DeGrazia stumbled. Madas almost had it again. Green light in by Maldesou or Sebastian Rosas. And yes, and Kozaku is trying to figure it out.
Here.
Get in there, Yaz! Green light in! What a crossing it! Oh, great. No!
Be quick, come on, guys.
Oh, Manos has to be quicker. Green light by Kozaku. And Miguel, good pass. And Yaz is onto it. Oh, the keeper is stumbled. Hey! Rev! Yes! Thank you! Put the ball in there. Put the ball in there. Let's see what happens. Oh, Paul is having a word with one of the Wolves players. Exactly what I mentioned for it right there.
Let's go, Paul. 1 second.
Yeah, Paul, get in there. You're big enough. You can box him out.
1 second.
And Kozaku from the corner. Lot of entry points. Oh, too far for Suwail. And out of play. Track! There, Sebastian. Oh, yeah. Shoki! Green light in by Kozaku. And Paul's trying to figure out. Oh, green light in by Paul. Wait a minute. Wait, what? No!
Even after 8 is gonna win?
Look at the clouds and tell me. You think you look? I know. Green light in there by Amir. That's gonna be a possession for the Annex Wolves. Yeah, you gotta be careful now. I just saw a wasp. Gotta be careful. Why is it always on me? And here's Yaz. Oh, what a move. Oh, boy. Too far made there, but it was to the glove of the Annex Wolf keeper. 6 minutes left to go of the first half. Oh, and crunching by Soleil. And he's arguing about it. Green light in there by Manas. Drop! Thanks, Chris. Hey, man, oh my goodness. Here at Kozaku. Green light by Paul and Kozaku. Oh, yeah, this really smells trouble again. Oh, yeah. Javier, the wetman's got me a goal kick. Yeah, well done. Look, Uzi. Thank you. He's hunting him hard. Oh, Holston kid. And right back to Manas. And right back to a feed to Paul. Oh, from Zaid. Oh, and a rev. Oh my goodness. And Zaid is down. Oh boy. And Manas. Oh, and Zaid might be slowing up. And Yaz is trying to help him out. Jockey! Yes, Uzi. Oh, look out. Off. Thank you, Javier. Lay it right back to the point. It's Manas. On the other side for Uzi. Right back to Yaz. And then right back to Zayd again. What a move. Canoe ball. And don't get yourself another yellow. High in there, Paul. And
Come on, guys. Support each other.
boys, drop. No. Thanks, Sebastian and Chris. And then right back to Manas. Right back to Miguel. And right back to Amir. Amir with the ball. Nice. Oh, and Yaz was almost there. Kept in there by Paul. Green light in. There it is. No. How? Green light in by Sebastian Rosas. Oh, not again. Oh! Save Javier. And they lay right back to Miguel. Yes, open. Oh, almost working for Paul. Right back to Christopher. Good on, man. Good on. Miguel. Green light in. By Miguel. Green light in by Sebastian. And right back to Yaz from Amir. Cross it. Oh. It was into the glove. Green light. Oh, look out, Soil. Look out. There's really spell trouble. Green light. Buddy. Ay. This really smells trouble again. Ay. Oh! And Yaz clears it. Oh, and Sebastian with the 0-0 to end the first half. Wow, unbelievable. I would have counted out 0-0 to end the first half here exclusively.